How to improve digestive system. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being, as it allows the body to absorb nutrients efficiently and eliminate waste effectively. Poor digestion can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even more severe health issues over time. Fortunately, there are several simple and natural ways to improve your digestive health and maintain a well-functioning gut. By making mindful food choices, staying hydrated, and adopting a balanced lifestyle, you can support and strengthen your digestive system for optimal health. 1. Eat a fiber-rich diet. Fiber is crucial for digestion because it helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, beans, and apples, absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance that aids digestion. Insoluble fiber, found in whole grains, nuts, and vegetables, adds bulk to stool and helps it move through the digestive tract efficiently. A diet rich in fiber ensures smoother digestion and reduces the risk of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis. 2. Stay hydrated. Water plays a vital role in the digestive process by helping break down food and allowing nutrients to be absorbed more easily. It also softens stool, making bowel movements smoother and preventing constipation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and soups. Avoid excessive consumption of caffeinated or sugary drinks, as they can lead to dehydration and digestive discomfort. 3. Incorporate probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health by balancing the microbiome. Foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are rich sources of probiotics that aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are fibers that feed the good bacteria in the gut. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus contain prebiotics that help maintain a healthy digestive environment and promote overall gut health. 4. Chew your food thoroughly. Proper chewing is an often overlooked aspect of digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth, where enzymes and saliva break down food before it reaches the stomach. Chewing food thoroughly ensures that it is broken down into smaller pieces, making it easier for the stomach to process. This reduces the risk of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Make a habit of eating slowly and savoring each bite to support efficient digestion. 5. Avoid processed and fatty foods. Highly processed foods and excessive fat can slow down digestion and lead to problems such as acid reflux, bloating, and constipation. Processed foods often contain artificial additives and low fiber content, making them harder for the body to break down. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods like lean proteins, fresh fruits, and vegetables, which are easier to digest and provide essential nutrients for gut health. 6. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can negatively impact digestion by altering gut motility and increasing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help reduce stress and promote better digestive function. Taking time to relax and unwind after meals can also prevent digestive discomfort and improve nutrient absorption. 7. Get regular exercise. Physical activity helps stimulate the muscles in the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation. Exercise also helps maintain a healthy metabolism and reduces stress, both of which contribute to better digestion. Activities like walking, yoga, and stretching can be particularly beneficial for gut health. 8. Establish regular eating habits. Eating meals at consistent times each day helps regulate digestive processes and prevents issues such as acid reflux and bloating. Avoid skipping meals or eating large portions late at night, as irregular eating patterns can disrupt the digestive system. Aim for balanced meals that include a mix of proteins, healthy fats, and fiber to support steady digestion throughout the day.